The Kalstein high-speed benchtop centrifuge is an important and indispensable tool for the precise and accurate separation of suspended particles in any laboratory setting. High-speed benchtop centrifuges separate components based on density, size, and viscosity, making them essential equipment for biochemistry, biotechnology, and clinical laboratories. The control panel features an LCD interface with intuitive touchscreen capabilities that simplify operation and incorporates comprehensive safety systems and self-diagnostics. The brushless DC motor, controlled by a microcomputer system, offers quiet operation and high durability, with a speed precision of plus or minus 50 revolutions per minute. Dimensions of 545 by 660 by 490 millimeters, net weight of 72 kilograms, noise level below 65 decibels, power supply AC 220 volts, 50 Hz, 20 amperes, with maximum capacity 750 milliliters times 4 for high-volume laboratory processing. Maximum speed 20,500 revolutions per minute with relative centrifugal force up to 29,200 times gravity for rapid separation. Explore the complete Kalstein Laboratory Centrifuge catalog, precision, speed, and innovation for every laboratory need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.